Most people scroll past Amazon warehouse deals without realizing how much money they are leaving on the table. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some of the best discounts on Amazon come from these exact listings if you know how to use them correctly. In this video you'll learn how Amazon warehouse deals work in 2026, how to find the best products, how to check quality, and how to avoid bad purchases so you actually save money instead of risking it. Let's start with the basics. Amazon warehouse deals are discounted products that are usually returned, open box, or slightly used. But here's where it gets interesting. Many of these items are still in excellent condition, sometimes even like new. The reason they are cheaper is not always damage. Often, it's just packaging issues or customer returns. Now let's break down how to use them properly. First, search for your product on Amazon. Then scroll down or look for the Amazon warehouse option under condition filters. Once you click it, you'll see discounted versions of the same item. But here's the problem most people face. They see a low price and buy immediately without checking condition ratings. Amazon classifies items as like new, very good, or acceptable. Jake once bought a laptop thinking all warehouse deals were equal, but he missed that condition matters more than price. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Like new items are usually almost identical to brand new ones, just opened or returned unused. Very good may have minor cosmetic marks. Good can show visible wear but still work perfectly. Always check the condition notes before buying. Next step is reading the description carefully. Look for comments like missing packaging, minor scratches, or refurbished details. This helps you understand exactly what you're getting. Another smart tip is comparing prices. Sometimes warehouse deals are only slightly cheaper than new items. In those cases, it's better to skip. But when discounts are large, like 20 to 50% off, that's where real savings happen. Now let's talk returns. Most Amazon warehouse items still come with return eligibility, but not always the same warranty as new products. So always double-check the return window before purchasing. Here's a simple strategy John uses. He only buys like new or very good items from warehouse deals and avoids electronics, unless the discount is significant. This reduces risk while still saving money. To wrap it up, Amazon warehouse deals can be a powerful way to save in 2026 if you follow the right steps. Check condition carefully, compare prices, and never rush into a purchase just because it looks cheap. If this helped you understand warehouse deals better, leave a comment and subscribe for more simple Amazon shopping guides like this.